The ultimate power breakfast redefined. Transform your morning. Are you tired of sluggish mornings and low energy levels affecting your productivity? It's time to redefine your breakfast routine. The ultimate power breakfast is more than just a meal. It's your first step towards a productive, energized, and healthy day. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how you can transform your mornings with nutrition-packed breakfasts, backed by science and delicious recipes. Why breakfast matters. The science behind breakfast is frequently called the most important meal of the day for a reason. A nutritious breakfast fuels your brain and body after an overnight fast, providing essential nutrients and energy. Research consistently shows that those who eat breakfast tend to maintain healthier weight, experience improved cognitive functions, and have better metabolic health. Key elements of a powerful breakfast. A truly powerful breakfast is well balanced, containing 3 crucial components. 1. Protein. Helps in maintaining muscle mass, keeping you satiated, and supporting metabolic health. 2. Fiber. Essential for digestive health. Fiber supports gut health, blood sugar control, and prolonged fullness. 3. Healthy fats. Essential fats such as omega-3 support brain health, hormone production, and long-term energy. Acacia fiber. Your secret ingredient for breakfast success. Acacia fiber, a powerful natural prebiotic, is a game-changer for your breakfast. Derived from the acacia tree, this soluble fiber nourishes good gut bacteria, promotes digestive health, and supports blood sugar regulation. Incorporating Vital Fiber One's premium quality acacia fiber into your morning routine can significantly boost your digestive wellness and overall energy levels. Breakfast mistakes you need to avoid. Many people unknowingly make breakfast mistakes that sabotage their energy and health goals. 1. Skipping breakfast. Leads to overeating later and unstable blood sugar levels. 2. High sugar foods. Pastries, sugary cereals, and sweetened juices cause energy crashes. 3. Low protein meals. Meals lacking sufficient protein leave you feeling hungry quickly. Delicious power breakfast recipes you'll love. Start your morning right with these easy-to-prepare, nutrition-packed recipes. 1. Acacia Fiber Superfood Smoothie. 1. Ingredients. 1 scoop Vital Fiber 1 Acacia Fiber Powder, natural flavor. 1 banana. 1 cup spinach. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup almond milk. 2. Preparation. Blend all ingredients until smooth. 2. Enjoy immediately for a refreshing, fiber-rich start. 2. Power-packed overnight oats. 1. Ingredients. 1/2 cup rolled oats. 1 scoop Vital Fiber 1 Acacia Fiber Powder. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 1 cup almond milk, fresh berries. 2. Preparation. Mix oats, fiber powder, almond butter, and almond milk. 2. Refrigerate overnight. 2. Top with berries in the morning. How power breakfast enhances productivity. A balanced breakfast stabilizes blood sugar levels, keeping energy and concentration consistent throughout the morning. Foods rich in protein and fiber enhance cognitive functions, improving memory, focus, and decision-making abilities, essential for peak productivity. Boost your mood with a healthy breakfast. Eating a nutrient-dense breakfast elevates your mood and reduces stress. Complex carbohydrates and fiber-rich meals help regulate neurotransmitters such as serotonin, known as the feel-good hormone, providing emotional stability throughout your day. The role of breakfast in weight management. Research shows a correlation between regular breakfast consumption and effective weight management. Protein-rich breakfasts combined with fiber reduce hunger hormones, lower calorie intake throughout the day, and facilitate healthier body weight maintenance. The morning routine to maximize your breakfast benefits. Pairing your power breakfast with mindful morning habits amplifies its benefits. 1. Hydrate first. Drink water upon waking to stimulate metabolism. 2. Mindfulness and meditation. Start your day with a clear mind. 3. Physical activity. Incorporate gentle exercises such as yoga or stretching. Quick breakfast hacks for busy mornings. For those on the go, here are quick, nutritious hacks. 1. Fiber bars. Vital Fiber 1 Acacia Fiber Energy Bars offer convenient nutrition. 2. Meal prep. Prepare smoothie packs or overnight oats on weekends. 3. Portable protein. Hard-boiled eggs or Greek yogurt cups provide quick protein boosts. Power breakfast for improved gut health. Gut health profoundly influences your overall wellness. Incorporating acacia fiber in your breakfast promotes healthy gut flora, improving digestion and enhancing immunity. A robust gut microbiome directly influences energy levels, mood stability, and overall physical health. Tailoring your breakfast to specific needs. Customize your breakfast based on your specific health goals. 1. For athletes, higher protein and complex carbohydrates. 2. Weight loss. Emphasize protein and fiber-rich, low-calorie foods. 3. Diabetes management. Low glycemic index meals incorporating acacia fiber for stable blood sugar levels. Morning drinks to complement your power breakfast. Alongside your nutritious breakfast, select beverages that boost your health. 1. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants and boosts metabolism. 2. Vital Fiber. 1. Acacia fiber non-alcoholic beer. Refreshing, fiber-enriched drink ideal for gut health. Making power breakfast a family habit. Introduce healthy breakfast practices at home. 1. Engage your family. Involve children in meal preparation. 2. Educational approach. Teach family members about nutritional benefits. 3. Consistency. Make breakfast a routine family meal. Conclusion. Transform your mornings, transform your life. Redefining your breakfast can profoundly impact your day-to-day life, enhancing productivity, mood, gut health, and overall well-being. Embrace a balanced, nutrient-rich morning meal combined with positive morning habits, and you'll quickly see the transformative benefits of starting your day right.